Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. This one is Polybag 30001. Wait, 30001. And that's the City Fireman's car. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I've done a bunch of these already, and my plan is to continue doing them one a day, each day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, there's already a bunch I've done, and there's more on the way. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Bricklink and on Amazon. And there's also a link to Brickset if you just want general information related to this set. So, I'm wondering if the number, the 30001 number, if this is like the first in a series of polybags. Like if this was one of the first in like a series of the City Polybags. I don't know. I guess I can look that up if I just didn't think about it until once I started putting it together. Alright. So that takes care of putting the wheels together. And so next I'm gonna put together the fire extinguisher and put together no printing on the legs. There's decent printing on the torso. Looks pretty good actually. Y'all can see the torso. Doesn't look too bad. And then we have the firefighter and the hat. Doesn't look too bad. And so he's going to be packing his fire extinguisher. Like so. So he's got a fire extinguisher. He is a left-handed firefighter. Alright, so let's put together the vehicle itself now. Slide these pieces out of the way. And then see about sticking this together. Huh. You know, I do wonder if this is an older one, because, let's see, because look, if you look at the instructions, it has the numbers for the pieces. Can you see them? Like, all the pieces have the numbers. Where's the... Let me look real quick. See if we have a date anywhere on here. Ah, 2009. I don't know. This is the first time I remember noticing the numbers. Unless I just completely missed them last time. Weird. I don't know. Have y'all noticed the numbers? Like, do they do the numbers all the time? And this is the first time I actually noticed them? Or what? I don't know. Let's see. So yeah, this definitely goes right here. On top of that. Like so. That gets us to there. And then 1 and 2. Okay. So the dude is currently equipped with his fire extinguisher, so we're not going to put that one together. But I will put together the container that it goes in. This snaps on right here, like so. So, and that attaches to the back. And then these are going over the top, if I'm guessing correctly. Yep. Like so. And then we got a blue light up there. And our windshield. The windshield goes on there. And then a couple of blue lights on the front. This is kind of a cool little car. It's a little nifty little vehicle. Looks pretty cool, right? And then we'll pop the wheels on, assuming they don't manage to escape. Okay. It's kind of a cool looking car, but it like looks absurdly small. So here's the dude. It looks like one of those. I feel like it's just like the Mini Cooper version of a fire car. That's kind of weird. I sort of like it, but it's a strange looking little car. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Does that look weird to y'all? Let me put that down and see how he looks driving it. Alright, yeah, that kind of, I mean, it looks almost like a go-kart. Or like the golf cart version of a fire truck. I don't know. I like it, but it's weird, if that makes sense. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.